Different ways to add shadow text in Cricut Design Space. Use a font with shadow. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on the text tool, then click on the font drop-down menu. Step 2. Search for a font and select it. Step 3. Right-click on the text and select duplicate, then pull them apart. Step 4. With the second text selected, click on the font drop-down menu, then search and select a font with a shadow. Step 5. Right-click on the text and select Weld, right-click on it again and select Send to Back. Step 6. Drag the second layer to the first layer and line them up. Step 7. If you want to change the color with the first text selected, click on the color swatch button in the Operations section and select a color. Using offset. Step 1. Click on the text tool, click on the font drop-down menu, search for font and select one. Step 2. Type in a word of your choice and with the text selected, click on offset in the toolbar. Step 3. Set the distance, choose a corner and click apply. Manually add shadow. Step 1. Click on text, click on the font drop-down menu, then search and select a font. Step 2. Type in a word phrase of your choice, right-click on the text and select duplicate. Step 3. Move the top layer of the text slightly lower, right-click on it and select Send to Back. Step 4. Now with the top layer selected, click on the color swatch button in the Operations section and select a color. Step 5. Move the top layer around and see how big of a shadow you want. Step 6. Next, right-click on the top layer, select duplicate and drag the duplicated layer away. Step 7. Select the existing design and click on Slice on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 8. Drag and delete the sliced layers you do not need. Step 9. Keep the sliced layer that looks like a shadow, then position it on top of the duplicated layer you set aside. Step 10. Now right-click on it and select Send to Back and it will line up perfectly with the duplicated layer. Step 11. And you're ready to cut it. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.